Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to change BIOS mode from UEFI to legacy, or CSM. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, we need to understand that legacy boot requires Windows to boot from an MBR disk, while UEFI boot requires a GPT disk. Therefore, it's necessary to convert the disk partition style from GPT to MBR when switching the firmware setting from UEFI to legacy, or CSM. Our video on how to convert GPT to MBR, how to convert GPT to MBR during Windows installation, or how to convert GPT to MBR without losing data might help you. The link is in the description below. The steps to enable legacy or CSM mode vary from computer to computer. I will be demonstrating on an Asus ROG Strix motherboard, but you can look for similar options on your device. Let's start by restarting the computer and entering the BIOS. If you don't know which key to press to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup menu, our video on how to enter BIOS or UEFI by manufacturer might help you. The link is in the description below. Now, in the BIOS or UEFI setup menu, if you are in Easy Mode View, switch to Advanced Mode View. In my case, I can do that by pressing F7. Normally, you can find the boot mode configuration under the Boot tab. Under the Boot tab, you should enable or choose Legacy or CSM. So go to the Boot tab and look for Boot Mode or Compatibility Support Module, also known as CSM, and make sure Boot Mode, Legacy, or CSM is selected or enabled. If you have a newer motherboard, you might be able to enable CSM and choose the boot device control to be Legacy only, UEFI only, or both UEFI and Legacy. Now save the changes, then exit. In my case, I can do that by going to the Exit tab, then clicking Save Changes and Reset, or pressing F10. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.